we didn't need to stick to 1 hour, the statement hour for just 1 hour. And I can see there are a lot of interest on these two statements. We still have another statement by Senator Milaji. So I request if I give you an opportunity to just take advantage of just 2 minutes, just a comment, and that is it. Because we are not on the debate. So Senator Osotsi, Gonfrey.
Mr. Speaker, I wish to comment on the statement by Senator Onyonka on pending bill. Mr. Speaker, how I would wish the committee that will be dealing with this statement widen this statement so that they consider other counties as well. Because the issue of pending bill is a problem in all the 47 counties, Mr. Speaker. And this pending bill, as has been alluded to by the Senator for Baringo, is another way of corruption. These pending bills is corruption. And if you look at the list of pending bills, many of them are fake. They have not provided services, but you find the fake ones are paid, and the real pending bills where people have delivered services or goods are not paid. Mr. Speaker, we must also look at the entire process of payment in our counties. We have had an engagement with the controller of budget on the issue of approvals for payment. You find that the approvals that are made are not what is paid. Other companies are substituted and paid, but the real approvals that were submitted to the controller of budget are not paid. This is a scam, and yesterday when the Cabinet Secretary for Treasury appeared before my committee, he said that the Treasury is amending the system, automating that process so that we are able to deal with this problem of approvals which are not paid eventually. So, Mr. Speaker, I would request that the committee that will be dealing with this matter considers that this is a problem that is affecting 47 counties, and they deal with the 47 counties, including my own county, Vihiga County, where I know genuine contractors who provided services for many years have not been paid. Some of them have ended up being auctioned. Others have died out of stress. Mr. Speaker, this is a serious problem which requires intervention of this House because, as Cheptuma said, this House exists to protect counties. We cannot say we are protecting counties when we are not dealing with the serious issues affecting our counties like pending bills. For that matter, Mr. Speaker, I support this.